So my name is Jana. I am the owner of Thousand Lashes. Today I really wanted to talk about how to increase your speed when doing eyelash extensions. So this is something that we all go through, beginners as eyelash extension technicians. I get a lot of messages that it takes them 3 hours, 4 hours to do eyelashes, but that is completely normal. What I suggest, what I started doing is that I started practicing on a mannequin. Usually you get a mannequin if you do a course with Thousand Lashes. So whenever you have time and you don't have any clients, you can practice on your mannequin. But the only thing is, with a mannequin, it is always the same doll. So it's always the same amount of lashes, it's always the same face that you're working on. What I suggest is to really work on live models. I always say that if you could put it on, if you don't have any, like a lot of family or cousins or your mom or grandma, they don't really want to do it. So I highly suggest for you guys to post an ad, maybe just $20 or free lashes, to really be able to practice on a live person. Because the thing is, with every person, it's always different. Their faces are different, their eyes are different. Some eyes are closer together, some are further apart. Their nose could be a little different, their mouth, their jaw, forehead could be larger, or it could be a little smaller. The amount of lashes that the person has also really makes a huge difference. If you work with different races, some lashes could be thicker, others lashes could be thinner, shorter, longer. It's really different. So you really want to practice on all types of people that you can as models, and that will increase your speed. So also, when you do eyelashes, you really want to make sure when you have an appointment that you book them all on the same day. So example, you already have a client on Monday at 10 a.m. So, and then someone says, oh, I would like to have another, I would like to have a fill or a full set. So then you go and you try and you usually like to give them the times, like, okay, so I would have, usually you like to give yourself as a beginner maybe 3 hours, 3.5 hours. So 1:30, especially if you want to eat, drink, or whatever. I would have 1:30 on Monday, and if you have another client on Tuesday, 2 on Tuesday. Always give yourself a good time in between so you don't make your clients wait. And you want to sanitize the whole area and everything. So then, like that, on Monday, example, you would have your first client at 10, then you'll have your client at 1:30, and then example, you would have another client at 1:30, at 4:30, or 5. By the end of the day, you'll see that it might be a little exhausting at first, but you will see by the last client, you will be so much faster. And if you keep doing that, you try and stick your clients together. You try and really have, I don't know if you do different things like facials or nails or waxing, you try and keep those clients together. So you keep yourself a day for waxing, you keep yourself a day for nails, you keep yourself a day for eyelashes, or 2 days for eyelashes. So like that, you can really make sure that all day you're practicing what you need to practice, especially if you're all new in this. So that's what we highly suggest. You have to know also that everyone is different, everyone has different expectations. So, you know, some clients, it might be a little harder to work on them because their eyes keep twitching or they're stressed out, they've never had eyelashes before. The best thing ever is when your client falls asleep. That is just a blessing in disguise. It's the best feeling ever. They're like, I'm sorry, I'm gonna fall asleep. I'm like, please fall asleep, please. It makes my job easier. I work faster. Like, for my clients that fall asleep and my clients that actually talk to me, like, I have a lot of girlfriends that come and see me and we talk, but it takes me much longer because then I stop and then we talk and then I keep going. But then my set takes me 3 hours because we're talking in the meantime, and I'm always like, I keep going and I stop and keep going and all of that. So you really want to focus when you're doing eyelash extensions. You really want to focus. Don't look at the time. You give yourself 3 hours to do the set. Don't look at the time. Obviously, if it comes closer to 3 hours, then